down. Let's do it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. And today I want to introduce you guys to Kyle Simon. Kyle came along a few months ago, introduced himself to us, and Kyle has worked into handling all the editing now. Over 20 episodes that I have not had to edit, which is awesome. Not just for the time savings, but the bottom line is, Kyle kicks my ass as an editor. Way better than what I do. So, along with doing our editing, Kyle has his own channel. We're rained out this week once again here in LA, and we kind of didn't know what to do today, but Kyle just cut together his own episode that he did recently of Vicious. A couple of the times we were out messing around, and it's a really cool episode, and I thought it'd be fun to introduce you guys to him with the hopes that maybe you like what he does and you follow his channel and subscribe and stuff like that. So here is our buddy Kyle.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Simon, and as you may have heard Sean say, I am the editor for Autotopia LA. I do some vlogs, I do some in-depth car reviews, but most of my work is here. So today, we are with Vicious Mustang. And I know you guys have seen this car a lot, but today we're gonna get my personal reaction out of this. I've been in some fast cars, maybe 600 wheel horsepower, 650 wheel horsepower, but nowhere near 1,000 wheel horsepower. Twin turbos, a supercharger, all strapped on top of a GT350R motor. Definitely gonna have some fun. So here we go, man.
This thing will shoot like 6-foot flames out of the back of that exhaust. I'm down. Let's do it. Just another day at the office.
Do you love this shit, dude?
I love this, man.
And now we should catch Jay rolling in. There you go.
Oh boy. Awesome.
Yeah, just another day in the office, rolling around at Vicious.
Right?
Driving up next to Jay in his Ford GT, right?
How many people wish they could do that? Oh my God.
All under $4,000, dude.
All under
That's
$4,000.
all under $4,000. Can you imagine when you get to pound it, you get the 9100 rev line?
Right? Listen to those turbos, man. Jeez.
That sequential gearbox, you know? I think
They're recording us.
I think we need to put it inside.
Yeah, it's time.
I can see too many people.
Yeah, way too many people.
It's so intense, isn't it, dude?
Incredible.
Really like a whole nother world.
Look at this Jeep.
Alright you guys, that is it for Vicious Mustang. I'm absolutely blown away by this car. Everything from the turbos to the fire coming out of the back of this exhaust, the sequential gearbox. I mean, this car speaks for itself why we call it vicious. But even seeing Jay Leno, we get to see him here quite often, but in a Ford GT while cruising around in Vicious, awesome day at the office here. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to comment down below. We're always looking to find new things to do here, but make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, share this with your friends, and as always, thank you guys for watching. So we'll see you next time. Later, man.